Alright, so in this question here, we want to figure out what are all the zeros, right? So you notice here we are not looking for the all possible rational zeros, but all the actual zeros. So for this purpose, we're going to use actually the formula, the possible rational zeros first, alright? So this is the formula, and if I apply this formula, it's going to be the factors of minus 18 or 18, which is, this is the constant, right? Divided by the factors of 1, which is the coefficient of the leader, which is 1 here, alright? So if I do that, the possible zeros are going to be plus or minus, well, the factors of 18 are here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Alright, 9 and 18. Alright, divide by the factors of 1, which is just 1. Alright, and don't forget the plus or minus. So the possible factors, the possible potential zeros are plus or minus. So the potential zeros are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 9, and plus or minus 18. Alright, so those are my potential zeros. Now what I'm going to do, I need to find at least one of them, because this is a degree 3. Alright, so if I find one of them, I can make the long division, and then I make the quotient degree 2, and then from there I can solve it, right? With either quadratic formula, factoring, or completing the squares. Alright, so here is kind of annoying because we have too many possibilities, and your job is actually to find one of them. Alright, so this is trial and error, and you have to be patient. So maybe you want to plug in 1 plus or minus and see whether it's working or not. Now I'm gonna make a shortcut. I know one of them, so which is minus 2. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in minus 2 into the equation right away and verify it is a 0. So h of minus 2, this is gonna be minus 2 cubed plus 2 times minus 2 squared minus 9 times minus 2 minus 18. Alright, or minus 2 cubed is going to be minus 8, 2 times minus 2 squared is going to be plus 8, minus 9 times minus 2 is going to be plus 18, and minus 18. And you can see it here, this is going to be equals to 0. Alright, so minus 2 is a 0. So the first 0 we found is minus 2. Alright, x equals to minus 2. So how can I use this information? Actually, I can make the synthetic division right now of this. Alright, so dividing by minus 2, which is x minus minus 2, that's going to be plus 2. I'm dividing this by minus 2 here. And then I put my polynomial in there, the coefficient is going to be 1, positive 2, minus 9, minus 18. Alright, I know by fact that this is going to be a 0 because it's a factor. And let's try the synthetic division. So first of all, I'm going to bring down the 1 here. 1 times minus 2, so this times this. Alright, 1 times minus 2 is going to be minus 2. Add them up, you're going to give you a 0. 0 times minus 2 is going to be a 0. Minus 9 plus 0 is going to be minus 9. Minus 9 right now times minus 2 is going to be plus 18. And minus 18 plus 18 is going to be 0. So we got it, right? So my quotient is going to be equals to, this is a minus 9 here, and this is x is 0, so whatever remaining is x squared. Alright, so x squared minus 9. So therefore I'm already done, because I know this will be the x minus minus 2, which is x plus 2 factor of x squared minus 9. And you can notice here x squared minus 9 is really easy to factor, so this is going to be x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. And finally, I can identify the zeros here. So the zeros, what are the number that makes each parenthesis 0? This is going to be minus 2, comma. This is going to be 3 for x minus 3, comma. For x plus 3, going to be minus 3. And this is your answer, guys.